It looks like we already got the result of the upcoming Devon versus Vitali right arm super match. Devon is going to win it. Why? Because Levan Saginashvili has predicted him to be the winner. And Levan is never wrong. Devon is the favorite. For me, it's a 60-40 match. I think Devon will crack his wrist, but after that, I don't know how well Vitali will be able to fight with a cracked wrist. Levan Saginashvili on Devon versus Vitali Laletin at East versus West 23. Levan is the master of predictions. He predicted Vitali to defeat Jerry. He predicted Vitali to defeat Devon on the left arm. He predicted the first Devon versus Gennady match as a 50-50. It could go either way, and it could have gone either way. It was a 3-2 close match. He predicted Devon to win the second Gennady versus Devon match. Exactly what happened there as well. He predicted Devon to defeat Dennis. That's also what happened. And these are just some of the main event predictions. Even in some lower level matches, Levan has almost always been correct. So you can confidently say that unless Levan is predicting an Irakli versus Todd Hutchings super match, he is most likely going to be right. But I want to read to you a couple of comments where fans do not agree with this assessment. Levan just wants Devon to win, cause that means there is no threat to him. A bit boring in my opinion. It's definitely not 60-40, more like 50-50. And if the refs ruin it, they'll do it for Devon, not for the Russian. Ask Michael Todd. He too instantly cracked his wrist and still got swept. This point makes sense too, because Vitali has proven in multiple matches now that he can fight even if he loses his wrist. He did that against Michael Todd, he did that against Artyom Morozov on the left arm, and he did that against Devon Larratt too. So if he can beat Devon with a cracked wrist on the left arm, why can't he do that on the right arm? For this match, Devon is training his inside move, his hooking ability, probably more than ever, maybe even more than what he did for the second Gennady Quickvinia match. And he was fully prepared to go in a hook in that match because he lost the first one in a hook. That's how seriously he's training Vitali Laletin. In his recent final workout circuit video, he kept talking about training his hooking and his supination abilities, and he trained it more than anything else. Will Devon need a hook to defeat Vitali? Can he actually hook Vitali to prevent the flop if the situation needs it? We will find out in 6 days time from now. Whether you want to see Devon win this match or lose this match badly, you're gonna have to purchase the pay-per-view. And the best option to do that is to go to the link in the description or use code Pradeep to get 5% off.